How do you summarize textbooks when there's too much to read? Imagine standing in front of a mountain of textbooks and feeling overwhelmed. It's a common challenge, but there are ways to make it manageable. When textbooks are packed with information, the key is to work smarter, not harder. The goal is to grab the main ideas and important details without getting lost in every fact or example. Start by previewing the chapter. Look at headings, subheadings, bolded words, and any summaries or review questions at the end. This quick scan helps you get a mental picture of what's inside and shows you what's most important. Think of it like checking the map before a trip. You know where you're headed and what to focus on. Next, read actively. As you go through the text, ask yourself questions like, what's the main point here? Or how does this connect to what I already know? This keeps your mind engaged and helps you spot what really matters. Instead of just passively reading, turn it into a conversation with the material. Highlight or underline only the key sentences, definitions, and examples. Be selective and focus on core ideas and supporting evidence. If you highlight too much, nothing will stand out. The trick is to mark only what's truly essential. Use a method called progressive summarization. First, highlight the most important sentences. Then, take those highlights and write them in your own words as short notes. Keep your notes simple and organized with bullet points, headings, or diagrams. This makes your summary easy to review and helps you see how ideas connect. When writing your summary, use your own words. This forces you to process the information, which helps you understand and remember it better. Avoid copying long passages. Instead, boil each section down to its main point. If you can explain it simply, you probably understand it well. Review your summaries often. Look over your notes soon after making them, then again before tests or assignments. This spaced repetition helps move information into your long-term memory and makes studying faster. For practical use, try creating a one-page summary for each chapter with headings and bullet points. Use colors or symbols to mark definitions, main ideas, and examples. If you like visuals, draw mind maps or flowcharts to show how concepts relate. For digital notes, organize by chapter and use search functions to find information quickly. Remember, breaking the task into steps makes it easier. First, identify key points. Then, condense them further. Active reading means engaging with the text by questioning and connecting ideas. The best summaries save you time, reduce stress, and help you remember more with less effort. Focus on main ideas, organize your notes clearly, and review regularly. This way, overwhelming chapters become simple, effective tools for your studies.